Hi, good morning all. Today we talk about the Spring Boot batch. Batching is a framework provided by Spring. So you know that the framework means whatever pre-cooked data or auto configured thing are provided the Spring Boot for us. Batch also similar kind of framework. Suppose if you want to do 1, 2, 3, 4 tasks in an efficient manner without the human interaction, that can achieve by the Spring Boot batch. Okay, that's the basic about the batch framework. In today's video we check about what is mean by Spring Boot batch, why is required, what is the configuration and the example. Okay, what is a Spring Boot batch? That means certain tasks need to do in a parallel or in a sequential form without the human interaction, and this work is defined in a certain steps. So that steps automatically performed by the system in a batch framework. Okay, and this is output, and this is the input. Why is required? So currently if you do this process from input to output with the human interaction or with the normal any framework, you required to do lot of stuff like logging, monitoring, matrices, all the thing that by default provided by Spring Batch framework or a Spring Boot batch framework. That's why it's easy to use and it's very convenient for our use case. We'll check details in later session. So first the trigger system should be there which are triggering our job. So this trigger system trigger a job launch. Okay, in a job launch their job have two things. First is a job and another is a job parameter. Okay, job parameter means what are the parameter is required for as an input to your system. Suppose you have built one analytics API, this API required a data as a parameter or some third party data. So all that came under the job parameter, and this input put it into as an input, put it into in a system. This is the job, this code is your job. So combining this job parameter and job instance get created, and job instance, after this job instance push into job execution framework. After this job is actually built with certain steps. Okay, certain steps, for example we can say that the data read means whatever data we are receiving, read that data, process that data and write that data. These are the three steps and each step required to execute. Job is a static thing, step also thing, and these are the thing. So job execution means each and every step need to execute it. So this step execution came here. Okay, this job parameter and job are using this job instance get created and job instance get executed. In a job execution we are executing these three steps. Okay, this is a high level framework of our Spring Boot application batch framework. Okay, for to enable Spring Boot batch into our application, some artifact need to be added like Spring Boot starter batch is required, and apart from that all the data related to batching stored into HSQL, so that database integration also required. Apart from this, whenever we are mentioning @Spring Boot application, which is a start point of our Spring Boot application, like annotation as a Spring Boot application, at that end Spring Boot application, on that class we need to define enable caching. Okay, enable batch processing, similar like enable caching. So this batch processing tells Spring Boot that my application required the batching process, and you should, as a Spring Boot application, you should configure all the things for me. Okay, apart from these two, like first you put this artifact into pom.xml, then you add this annotation. Apart from this, in application property you need to define two properties. First one is a database resource, because here we just added HSQL database. We should provide that database details and initialization schema. That schema is a job framework schema, means whenever your application gets started, that schema will check first is Spring Boot check that exists or not. If not, they will create the schema for batching framework. This is the main configuration, making the artifact, adding the annotation and adding the application property. So if you do this, you are ready to write the code. Okay, as per this diagram, what are the things is required? First we need to define the steps. Each step required, each three steps required three class. Okay, this class first, second, third, three class is required. All these are should integrated at this fourth level. Apart from that, job is required. Okay, 5, and job launcher is required 6. These are the classes required for us. Okay, so we check one by one. So first we check about the read, write and a process. So firstly we implement that item reader class. here we are just reading this data from this is just example. So I am pulling all the data into putting data into array and processing it. So item reader is the interface. From that I override that read method, and in that simply I am reading the data out of it. Okay, nothing special I am doing. They just implemented add this, override this method read, and just printing this thing. Okay, this is the reader implementation. Similar way we need to do process and write. Here we first, second, third. So item process and item write also need to do. Okay, we'll do item process. We are just processing that. Means here we are implementing item process method override we do, and we are just processing that. Means processing means we are just reading that data and uppercase that data. This is a process, and the write thing we are just printing that data. Okay, in item writer we are override that write method, and writing means printing that data. These, so our steps are created, 1 2 3 are created, aggregated need to aggregate that steps. So in a batch compression, okay, so compression also required, but here as we said that all the parameter combinedly should required here. So in a batch compression, first we mentioned that this is a compression class. Spring, please consider this as a compression class. Enable batch processing, this is a batch processing class. Job builder factory and step builder factory is required, because these 1 2 3 steps, combining these steps, job is created. So first we here created a job with name is a my job, and in this we are creating a create steps, like create steps we are passing create steps as a bean. So here in a create step we put reader as a my custom reader, processor as a my custom processor, and writer as a writer, and we build this. Okay, combiningly this we create one my step class and attach to this bean as a create step, and that are putting into create job. So our job is a consist of S1, S2 and S3 are combiningly in a this job. Okay, so this is look like that, because here create step we are creating this step, like this is the create step 1 2 3 we are combining and putting into job. Okay, so till now where we are, job is created, steps are created, attach that all the steps to the steps, and steps added into job. Now turn is to create the job launcher, from where we need to access this. So here we are saying that a scheduler config, because from here we need to actually access that. Here we are seeing compression, enable scheduling. Spring, please take care this class for the compression purpose. Scheduling, we are using scheduling here. Job launcher is the compression class where we created, and job also the Spring provided this. Okay, so here we are saying this is our job parameter. So earlier we discussed we require job instance and job parameter, two things. So job parameter is a created, and job here we already created. So combiningly job and job parameter, our instance get launched. We are ready to launch this instance. So in a job launcher, which is the auto add thing, job launcher, we are just passing this new job and job parameters, and our job get invoked. Okay, so if you copy this code and put it into Spring application, below log should be printed, like your application gets started, customer read this 0, then our processor convert that 0 to capital 0 here and write that as a completed. Okay, similar way happen, each read that, process that, and write that. While reading it's a 1, before processing it's a 1, but after processing while writing it's a capital 1. Okay, similar way happen for all the five things, and we are completing this job. Okay, completed within a 42 milliseconds. Yeah, that's it about the Spring Boot batch framework. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll connect again and resolve this. Yeah, thanks all. Bye bye.